Hi students, welcome back to the class. In the last class, we have studied about per capita income and physical quality of life index. Today we will learn about Human Development Index and Human Happiness Index. Let's start with Human Development Index. Human Development Index is based on human development. Let's see the definition of Human Development Index given by the United Nations Development Programme, that is UNDP. Human development is the expansion process of opportunities that helps the people to improve their human resource. Let's see the factors of human development. The factors of human development are improved educational facilities, better healthcare facilities, increased training. All the above mentioned factors contribute to human development. The attainment of human development also helps in economic development. For example, let's see a situation. If better educational facilities are available to the economy, then there will be an increase in the number of people receiving education. This will increase in employment opportunities to educated people. This led to the increase in income and purchasing power. Through that, better standard of living also developed in an economy. Let's see the main components of Human Development Index. Human Development Index is prepared on the basis of three main components. They are per capita income, literacy and gross school enrollment rate, and life expectancy. Per capita income measures the average income earned per person in a given area in a specified year. Literacy and gross school enrollment rate means the number of people who are enrolled in primary education as a percentage of the total children of official school age population. Life expectancy means the number of years a person can expect to live. Let's see the value of Human Development Index. The value of Human Development Index lies between 0 and 1. 0 indicates least development and 1 indicates the highest level of development. The United Nations Development Programme, that is UNDP, prepares and publishes the Human Development Index by classifying the countries on the basis of these values. Every year since 1990, the UNDP publishes the Human Development Report. Let's see the Human Poverty Index. The Human Poverty Index was developed by the United Nations organization complementary to the Human Development Index. Its first report was published in 1997. The Human Poverty Index is calculated on the basis of three components. They are longevity or life expectancy, knowledge, and a decent standard of living. Let's move to the next topic, Human Happiness Index. The United Nations organization has recognized the Human Happiness Index. This index was originally developed by Bhutan, later recognized by the United Nations organization. 9 indicators are considered for the calculation of Human Happiness Index. First one, health. Second one, standard of living. Third one, conservation of nature and biodiversity. Fourth one, social life and neighbor relations. Fifth one, good governance. Sixth one, cultural diversity. Seventh one, education. Eighth one, effective use of time. And ninth one, mental health. India ranks 133 among the world nations in the Human Happiness Index 2018. The countries that rank first, second and third are Finland, Norway and Denmark respectively. Okay students, hope that you have understood about the Human Development Index and Human Happiness Index. Meet in the next class with the continuation of the chapter. Thank you.